What's up guys, today's video is on the best hiking gear items of 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Uncharted Supply Co. Triage Kit. In the backcountry, it's pretty much unavoidable to take a first aid kit. The first time I went on a backcountry trip, I brought some band-aids. I never used them, but I did notice that they were there if I needed them. Therefore, if you are not careful, you might just end up needing one. We love the Triage Kit from survival and first aid specialist, Uncharted Supply Co. Christian Shaw founded the company after driving through Colorado in a blizzard and seeing many helpless drivers hunkering down. The Triage Kit is the perfect companion for travel, hiking, mountain biking, and backcountry travel. It features bandages, wound closure strips, blister gels, aspirin, a space blanket, storm matches, and other clever emergency tools. Built on the advice and expertise of more than 100 outdoor experts and adventurers, all this comes in a compact, abrasion-resistant package weighing about 5 ounces. Our friends say we're loving pairing the Triage Kit with US Gear's Featherlight 2.0 Survival Kit. US Kit features a poncho, whistle, compass, multiple lights, a towel, and a fire starter, among other items. Pros: it's a great travel companion. It's incredibly lightweight and compact. The kit has everything you'd need for a basic first aid situation. Cons: none. Number 4. Swiftwick Flite XT Trail Sock. Socks might be one of the most underrated items in a hiking kit, but if you find yourself on a long hike in a lousy pair of socks, it can be annoying at best and miserable at worst. We recommend investing in a pair of Swiftwick's new Flite XT Trail Socks. There's so much newfangled tech in these socks that it's hard to keep up with. The upshot: these socks provide a super comfy and supportive fit while wicking moisture quickly. Swiftwick takes some typical innovations now default in high-end hiking and running socks like seamless toes, a mesh upper, and merino wool, and then goes to another level in what it's calling the most technologically advanced sock for trail running and hiking. New tech we love: a proprietary nanofiber at the heel and forefoot that boosts grip, and Oven, a synthetic fiber usually used in car interiors known for its strength, durability, and comfort. These socks are pricey for a reason. They work for both hiking and trail running. Pros: what we like: we found these socks incredibly supportive and comfortable. Sock innovations galore. So far, seem durable. Cons: expensive for a sock, but probably worth the investment. Number 3. Altra Lone Peak 6. In other words, not everyone likes the Scarpas you found above, but this Altra Lone Peak 6 trail running shoes will suit everyone. I've logged over 200 miles in these shoes, both trail running and day hiking, and they continue to be the shoes I seek out for most runs and hikes. In its 6th iteration, the newest version of the Lone Peak has an updated rock plate that provides more protection from rocks yet uses less material. And we also dig the features for which Altra has become infamous, like the wide toe box and balanced height in the heel and forefoot. Pros: classic Altra with a wide toe box. It works well for both trail runs and day hikes. Lightweight and minimalist, yet full of support and grip. The updated lacing system and upper construction improve the fit. Cons: if you're not a zero-drop fan, this one won't be for you. Number 2. Scarpa Rush Mid GTX Shoes. We keep looking for a boot we like better than Scarpa's Rush Mid GTX, but so far, no dice. Full disclosure, I'm not a real fan of hiking boots. Give me a pair of Chacos or running kicks. I prefer the minimalist feel, but these lightweight hikers have a way of providing support and grip without feeling bulky or heavy. The reason: we think it's Scarpa's proprietary interactive kinetic system, blending the smoothness and cushioning of a trail running shoe and the stability and traction of traditional hikers. Besides that smooth and supportive feel, these kicks have 2 broad things going for them. First, the sock fit construction provides a comfy fit and feel. We took these hikers straight out of the box and onto an 18-mile round-trip backpacking mission in California's High Sierra and finished with no blisters. Second, we usually find Gore-Tex shoes to be hot and not breathable. That's not the case with the Rush Mids. Pros: great fit and feel. Gore-Tex is not overly hot. A comfy blend of trail running shoes feel with the stability and traction of a traditional hiking shoe. Cons: none. Number 1. Deuter Speedlite 20-pack. Deuter's Speedlite 20-pack is a do-everything multi-sport backpack at a reasonably accessible price. There are many reasons we love this pack, but the top one is how functional it is in many situations. We clearly like it for day hikes, but beyond that, it's solid for bike rides, commutes, trips to the farmer's market or grocery store, as a carry-on, or even ski tours. Thanks to a padded back panel, it's super comfortable. It has an adjustable sternum strap and a slim single-webbed waist strap. It can also be cut down in size for lighter loads. We also dig the different pockets. Besides the large main compartment, this pack features a zippered top pocket where we stored keys, wallets, and snacks. There are side pockets for water bottles and a back mesh pocket for extra layers or other gear. Bonus, the pack is hydration compatible if you've got a water reservoir. So far, we really haven't found anything we don't like about this pack. It can get warm on the back, despite the mesh back panel, but at this point, we're just nitpicking. What we like: super comfy thanks to padded shoulder straps and a back panel. Perfect size for day trips and can be used in many settings. Hydration compatible. What we don't like: the back panel can get worn despite the mesh panel. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.